Today, I'm at the Palm Beach International Boat Show to check out Aqua. She's a 2020 Horizon FD87 with a length overall of 90 feet and a broad beam of just over 23 feet. Powered by a pair of MTU 10V 2000 M96L diesels, she has plenty of room for you and your family with 5 staterooms and 7 heads. As I make my way back to her, the first thing I notice is the expansive swim platform and beautiful beach club. Taking a few steps to the port side, you can really appreciate the expansiveness of the full 23-foot beam. With all the amenities, including TV, microwave, ice maker, fridge, bar stools, and comfortable lounging area, you will also have access to the massive engine room. From here, let's make our way up to the cockpit area. I really like the symmetry of having steps on both sides of the beach club. The freestanding furniture is modern and arranged to allow conversation all around. Interestingly enough, although it could be, this casual space is not set up for outdoor dining. Now, let's take the port side steps up to the upper deck. Again, there are matching steps to starboard for design symmetry. At the top of the stairs, we find an outdoor bar area, small seating area, outdoor grilling station, and room enough to store your multiple PWCs, which have been hoisted aboard with your steelhead SM2000 davit. Now, to check out the inside, you pass through a large sliding glass door. As I enter the fully conditioned space, the first thing I notice is how great a place it would be to hang out in. To starboard, you have your dayhead with a toilet and sink. There's a TV that rises out of the entertainment cabinet, and a very large L-shaped lounging sofa with a small table in front. And moving forward and past the 2 captain seats, we can check out the extensive helm station, including 4 Garmin MFDs, throttle controls, side thrusters, and enough electronics to monitor your entire propulsion system and more. Pilot doors to starboard and port will assist you with docking. Now let's go check out the bow area. We could pass through the port pilot door, but let's take the long way around. As we near the bow, here we find a sink hidden away. Continuing forward, we come upon a large seating area. This would be a great place to hang out while cruising or enjoy an outdoor meal. To avoid unnecessary trips inside, you'll also find a small fridge and ice maker. Additionally, there is plenty of storage for dock lines and fenders. Looking back from the bow, we find a large sun pad. We can see the sunshade for the seating area and helm windshield. It's quite a view. Aqua features dual anchors. For the boat show, the portside anchor was dropped along with the tie line in place. Of course, there are foot controls for the anchor. In this case, the mirrored starboard anchor was not deployed. It's hard to believe, with everything we've seen so far, we've only seen the exterior of Aqua. I'll head back to check out the interior by taking the starboard side stairs down to the main deck. Solidly built throughout, including wide, comfortable walkways, the high, solid gunwale, and heavy-duty handrails. I particularly like the glass door pass-throughs back to the cockpit area. Entering the Salon through the large, beefy sliding doors, which can open completely to combine the interior with the exterior, you'll discover another dayhead directly to starboard, which includes a toilet and vanity. As I take a slow pan of the whole salon, notice the massive windows letting in so much natural light. It almost feels like you're still outside. There is plenty of storage throughout. And moving forward, I find the formal dining area for you and 9 of your closest family and friends. The dining room features a drop-down divider to make the galley disappear during dinner. As we make our way around the table, we enter the beautiful galley, featuring dual basin sink, trash compactor, dishwasher, and as I spin, an oven, induction stovetop, and microwave. And of course, a refrigerator so large it won't even fit in the camera frame. Forward of the galley is probably one of my favorite features of this yacht, a main deck full beam primary suite. Featuring a king bed with storage all around. There is also a makeup desk with storage and a large window for plenty of natural light and a beautiful view while getting ready. It also features a large TV. Entering the bathroom area, you'll find a separate water closet with privacy door, dual vanity, and large walk-in shower. I really like the pocket doors to close off the bathroom area from the rest of the suite. Additionally, there is a large cedar-lined closet. And looking above, you'll find multiple skylights with a center hatch to allow more natural light into the suite. And if all this wasn't enough, let's make our way down to the lower level to check out the additional staterooms. From the base of the stairs, we move forward to check out the VIP suite. The VIP ensuite features an electric toilet, vanity, and large walk-in shower. As we continue forward, we enter the VIP berth, a large queen-size bed with TV hanging on the wall, and plenty of storage throughout. From here, we continue our way aft and enter a twin berth midship, featuring 2 single beds and an ensuite, which includes, again, a walk-in shower, toilet, and vanity. Continuing to make our way aft, we find a pair of mirrored large ensuite staterooms, which I would consider VIP 2 and 3, featuring a large queen bed, and again, pocket doors to close off the bathroom from the bedroom, a water closet with privacy door, single vanity, and a large walk-in shower, and of course, a flat screen TV on the wall. And to go along with the theme of natural light, 2 large windows and a functional porthole for ventilation. What a view! And lastly, a large cedar-lined closet. Before we head out, there's a washer and dryer centrally located between the staterooms at the base of the stairs. Stepping off this boat, I have to say this is one of the nicest, well-designed yachts Allie and I have had a chance to tour. Aqua Life is both a great cruiser and a liveaboard, all in one package. Here's a bit more information about the yacht. I hope you liked the tour. If so, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. We really appreciate all your support. See you next time.